your own Montessori teacher. Hope you all are doing great. So my dear kids, today I'm going to ask you a simple question. Tell me, what have you all had in breakfast, lunch or dinner? You must be thinking this is a very strange question. But just think about it. You must have had different things. You all must have had different things, isn't it? Have you had the same thing? No. Okay? So the same way, even animals also eat different things. All the animals do not have the same eating habits. Like, do you eat the same kind of things? Have you asked your friends? Your friends may get something else in the tiffin and you may get something else in the tiffin when you go to school, isn't it? Yes. So the same way, even animals also have different eating habits. As we spoke, as we discussed in our previous video when we were talking about wild animals. And even when we were talking about domestic animals, when we were talking about their eating habits. जब हम सारे animals की eating habits के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि सारे animals अलग-अलग चीजें खाना पसंद करते हैं, isn't it? जैसे आप लोग भी तो सभी अलग-अलग चीजें खाते हैं, तो animals भी कुछ हमारी ही तरह होते हैं. Okay? Today we are going to talk about 3 different categories of animals on the basis of their food consumption. Okay? So my dear kids, first of all we will talk about herbivorous animals. Herbivores. Now, who are these herbivorous animals? You must have heard this term, this name in the previous video when we were talking about wild animals. Okay, so the animals who eat only plants and plant products are called herbivorous animals. Okay, तो अब मैं आपको एक बार अच्छे से बताती हूँ कि what are these plant products. What all products get included in plant products. Look here. This is a plant. Okay. So the whole plant, whatever different parts of the plant we include into, we call plant products. Like, see leaves of the plants, then stem of the plant, twigs of the plant, then we have fruits, vegetables. या फिर जैसे कुछ animals राइस या चपाती ये चीजें भी खाते हैं, है ना? जैसे हम when we talk about dog या फिर कुछ और भी animals होते हैं, गाय, जैसे even cow के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, cow will eat even if you give chapati to cow will eat chapati also. And chapati, from where we get chapati? We get chapati from wheat. और wheat कहाँ से आता है? Wheat comes from this wheat plant. Okay, so chapati is also plant products. All the animals who eat these plant products only. Pay attention to this word, only. Okay, they are called herbivorous animals. Fine. So कौन से होते हैं herbivorous animals? I'll give you a few examples. Look here. Domestic animals, most of the domestic animals are herbivores. Okay, not all, but most of them. Now, if we talk about in terms of wild animals में मैंने आपको बताया था, I have told you that deer, giraffe, and then rhino, hippo, these are all herbivorous animals. They eat only plants and plant products. Okay? Now let's move on to the next category. The next category is of carnivorous animals. Okay? See, carnivorous. Now, who are these carnivorous animals? The animals who eat only the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Now, again, you need to pay attention to this word, only. The animals who eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Now, who are these carnivorous animals? Let us see some examples. Look here, lion, tiger, panther, leopard. So these are all carnivorous animals. They do not eat any plant products. Okay, they eat only flesh or meat of other animals. That is why they are called carnivorous animals. I hope now these two terms are clear to you. Now the third category. Third category is omnivores. Now who are these omnivorous animals? So my dear kids, let me tell you, the animals who eat plant products and animal products or animals meat, okay, they are called omnivores. मतलब वो दोनों चीजों को खाते हैं. Now let us see some examples. The first and foremost animal is dog. You must have seen dogs will drink milk, dogs will eat rice, chapati, chicken, egg, mutton, everything. So they are called omnivores. Okay. Now we have bears. As I told you, bears are also omnivorous. And then monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas, as we have discussed in our last video, they are also omnivorous. Okay. So because they eat plant products and animals too. And when we talk about animal flesh or animal meat, it's not like, only they are killing very big animals and eating their meat. Okay. When the animals who eat small insects, like ये जो आपका monkey होता है, monkeys will eat all small insects, even lizards and all. Okay. तो ये जो है इसको भी हम जो है मीट में ही काउंट करते हैं. End of the day, they are eating some other animals. Okay, so I hope now you won't get confused. You are very clear, thorough with these three terms: herbivorous, carnivorous, and the animals eat both the things are called omnivorous. Okay, so now I hope you won't have any doubt, and still if you have any doubt in your mind, please do ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, do share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. I'll be back very soon. Bye-bye.